Welcome to Education and Entertainment. This is Integers Part 2. That day we have learned, in Part 1, we have learned what is integers, what is negative integers, what is positive integers, what is LHS, what is RHS. Today we are going to learn the ascending order and descending order in brief. So ascending means you all know that it is small to big, small to big. And I have shown like this to understand you, that is small to big. I have given an arrow, okay, and descending order means big to small, big to small, that is big to small, big to small. I have given the arrow to understand you. Today we are going to learn some theories. Negative integer is always lesser than a positive integer. Example, -5. -5 is a negative integer and +5 is a positive integer. So -5 is always smaller or lesser than +5. Okay, as we have done in ascending order. See, I have given the arrow small to big, small to big. I have written here small and I have written here big. So see, -5 is smaller than 5, +5. Okay, the another theory of 0. 0 is not an integer that we have learnt in part 1. It is not a positive integer nor a negative integer that we all know. So I have given here some examples that you can see. -5 is smaller than 0, +5 is greater than 0. I will give the proof. Now let's see how -5 is smaller than 0. So -5, here is -5 and here it is 0. Okay. Now let's go to the ascending order. -5 is smaller than 0. -5 is smaller than 0. So this you can understand the word small to big. I have given the arrow. You can understand by this. So it is -5 and here it is 0. -5, 0. So -5 is, by this you can understand that -5 is lesser than 0. So a negative integer is always lesser than 0 and positive integer is greater than 0. Positive integer is greater than 0 and negative integers is smaller than 0. Now this you can understand. Now let's practice today's worksheet. So let's practice. Now here it is -5 and here it is 6. So we have learnt over here that negative integer is always lesser than a positive integer, that you know. Negative integer is always lesser than a positive integer. So here it is a negative integer and it is a positive integer. -5 is a negative integer and +6 is a positive integer. So -5 is lesser than 6. So the answer will be this one. I zoom out this. Now just like 4 and 0, positive integers is greater than 0. We have learnt over here. So the answer is like this. Negative integers is lesser than 0. We have learnt over here. So negative, so it is -6 and it's 0. So 0 will be greater. You know this. Who is greater, 1 or 2? It is 2. It's easy one. Now -2 and -5. People get confused over here. They put the answer like this, but it is not correct. The answer will be this. Now let's see. I will give a brief one. -2 and -5. So let's go to the descending order. This is -5 and this is 2. This is -5 and this is -2. Now you can see I have given here big to small, big to small. So the thing is, see, 2 is bigger than, by this you can understand that -2 is greater than -5. And just like here, if we say that who is greater, 2 or -2 or 5, the thing would be, see, here it is 2 and here is 5. Now see the arrow that I have given, that I have shown to you all, that is big to small, big to small. So the thing over here would be big and thing over here would be small. So the thing is 2 is big or 5 is big. You know that who is big? 5. So the answer would be this. You know this thing. But when it comes negative integer, the thing goes opposite. See, the answer will be -2. -2 is greater than -5. Now let's come to -6 and -10. The thing is -6. So that's for all today, class. Okay, now your work is to subscribe this channel. If you subscribe this channel, you will get many worksheets given by me after completing one chapter. So that's for all today. This is education, but we will also give entertainment to you all. So subscribe this channel and goodbye. Have a nice day.